Hey guys, Dino Cal Films, and today I have another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my Jurassic World dinosaur collection. So first we have this Jurassic Park Jeep. It's like the Jeep, the normal Jeep from Jurassic Park 1, but it's in this, I don't know why. So next we have Indominus. Yes, if you saw this in Mario video, this Mario funny movie too. So this figure is really amazing. Let me just get this plate. I'm gonna use it as a turntable real quick. Just look at this thing. It's so awesome. That fell over. So let's just put them over here. Next we have that's like a Apatosaurus. You might be asking, hey, that's not Jurassic World. Well, doesn't it just look like Jurassic World? Dude, we just need to put this Indominus Rex. Look at this. This is Jurassic World right here. Look, Jurassic World. This is Jurassic World. Yes. This is Jurassic World. So with him, and he can be dead. Next we have this Jurassic World boat, which wasn't in the movie, but it's still cool. Then we have this Indominus Rex card, which tells you about it. About the Indominus that one of my friends gave me. Then we have this Pteranodon. Its jaw kind of got jacked up over time. And you can click this thing, dead. Let's put him over here, just eating him. Then we have Spinosaurus. Yeah, probably my favorite dinosaur ever. If you pull this, you can go like that. And, excuse my parents in the background, and Ferris. And then we have the Velociraptorix, from the Jurassic Park Crisis line. This isn't really Jurassic World, but it's really old. I was lucky to find it. So, and then we have the Pachycephalosaurus. And yeah, it's really cool. If you press this, he goes like that. Sorry about that. So we have the Mosasaurus, which is really cool. Pull down the front. And opens its mouth of death. Then we have the T-Rex Sharp Action toy. For some reason, everyone hates it, even though I'm pretty sure it's like the best T-Rex they have. To me, it looks like the best. Because just look at it, it looks awesome. Then last, but certainly not least, probably the best, the bad boy Indominus, as everyone calls it. I just killed that thing. It would probably have killed it in the movie. It can't really stand, which sucks, but it's still awesome. It's like the biggest figure. And yeah, I was gonna eat this guy. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And stay tuned for another Dinosaur Collection remake. Goodbye.